Holy crap, guys. Oh man, I don't think I could last much longer in here. What is up, fam? Welcome back to another abandoned adventure. Guys, I am in Virginia, in the middle of freaking nowhere, to be honest with you. There's no Ubers, there's no Lyfts. I couldn't even get a taxi earlier. I had to walk 6 miles, guys. But I'm here getting ready to explore this place. It's an abandoned school. I've actually looked up some research on this place online, and there are some crazy stories I've heard of this place, guys. There are some murders that were done in here, and guys, I'm gonna explore this place right now. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. And let's do this, guys. All right, guys. So let's Jack Boys. Let's cover every inch of this place. Let's start down here since this is kind of the end of it. Oh wow, look at that hallway. Creepy. Okay, I guess this is the hallway we're going down first. Just a big empty room. Alright. Guys, I don't know about these alone adventures anymore. I know you guys have been telling me not to do them, but I don't know, they might be starting to take a toll on me, because this is, I mean, and if I was getting hundreds of thousands of views on videos, you know what, I could say, you know what, it's worth it. But doing something dangerous like this where there could be anything that could happen to me. But I do it for that fam love, guys. You guys show me all that love, and I want to show you a ton of love back, guys. That's why I do this. That's why I do these alone adventures for you guys, even though you guys tell me not to do them. And I understand why. These are some big classrooms. Man, I hope I don't come across anybody in this place, seriously. Is that like a door outside, or? Yeah, that's outside. Oh, spiderweb. Oh, God. Oh. Hate spiderwebs. You'd think I like them as much as I run into them. Alright, that looks like a dead end down there. Another classroom with nothing in it. Okay. Might be something over here. Hey, water fountains. This must have been an elementary school, because look how low these are to the ground. Yeah, I think I'll take a sip of water. It is super muggy in here too. I mean, you want to talk about being hot? It is extremely hot. What the hell was that? Did you guys hear that? Oh my God, guys. Like, seriously though, what was that? Oh my God. That scared the living crap out of me. Seriously? Oh my God. I don't like this side of the building. It's hot as balls too. What's down here? What the hell? Was that a fire? Holy crap. Somebody, is that spray paint or a fire? No, that looks like a fire, guys. Wow, looks like somebody tried to start a fire and either it went out or somebody put it out. Okay, that's a little strange. Jeez. Okay. All right, let's keep going back the other way, guys. Well, I just want to get these videos done and get out of here, guys. I'm sure you can understand where I'm coming from. Okay, what's in here? Whoa. That almost looks kind of, I don't know. Strange room. It's like rubber floor. Interesting. Okay. All right, guys. Let's keep rolling. I just heard a whistle. Wow, this is okay, that's the same room, okay. Oh, what the hell? What the hell was that? Holy crap! What the freaking hell was that? Oh my god, there goes my heart beating like crazy again. You say I'm gonna give you a heart attack. I'm gonna give myself a heart attack. What in the hell was that? Seriously, guys? Holy crap. Oh my gosh. What's that say? Oh my god. That scared the living crap out of me. What was that? Hey, can we get out here? No. Oh my god, I'm so scared after that. Wow. This is something, guys. I mean, to do this with a bunch of friends is one thing. It's fun and you can laugh and have a good time, but doing something this by yourself, I don't know, it just seems like, I don't know. It's just a totally different vibe, guys. Wow. I don't know. Gang stuff. This isn't like the best area too. Guys, I gotta go back this way. Are you freaking kidding me? This is scary, for sure. If I haven't reminded you, I'm gonna remind you again. Smash that like button, guys. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I wanna know what the hell that freaking noise was. I'm still freaked out. I don't know, guys. I'm going to tell you something. You want to know when I'm really freaked out? You want to know when I'm really scared? When I really have nothing to say, where I just keep repeating myself over and over. Like, usually you guys know me, I can't shut up. I have everything to talk about. And like, I feel like I'm not saying anything during this video because like, I'm just freaked out. I just got done filming the abandoned funeral home. If you guys haven't seen that video already, it'll be out before this, so I'll put a link to the top up here. You better check that video out because that was something crazy, or else I don't know, guys. These are all the same though. Honestly, I would say this is a huge fail if it wasn't for that freaking crazy noise. What the hell? Guys, something's happening here. I don't know what's going on. Always wanted to know what a girl's bathroom looks like, guys. I guess we're gonna find out right now. Any girls in here? Huh. What do you guys think? Should we check all the stalls? Okay. Oh, is that a dookie? Is somebody... Oh, no. That's just wrong. Of course, the last one has to be closed like that, guys. Okay, here we go. Just kidding. That's crazy. What the frick? Oh, hell no. I heard a whisper in there. I heard a freaking whisper. I heard a whisper. Did you guys hear that? Holy crap, guys. Oh, man. I don't think I could last much longer in here. Hey, it's cool in here for some reason. Man, the temperature dropped like 10 degrees. Huh. I mean, that is an AC unit, but definitely is not on. What is this? Oh, this is how I got in, duh. Alright fam, I made it back to where I got in here. So, I mean, we pretty much explored this place. There's not actually a lot to this. I kind of wish there was. The good news is I found out there's another abandoned school close by, so I might go check that out tomorrow, guys. But, let me know if you know what those noises were. Like, what the hell was that? Seriously. That is freaky, guys. That kind of makes me not want to go back in there, although I think I've pretty much checked it all out. So, guys, make sure you leave this video a like. Make sure you comment down below. And, guys, I do this for you. I do it for the fam love, guys. Thanks again for your love and your support. It means the world to me, guys. I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Till next time, like you know we do. Peace. Love you, fam. All right. We out of here, guys.